Good morning, students of Standard 10. Today we are going to discuss topic endocrine glands from chapter 2, control and coordination. Thyroid gland. It is the largest endocrine gland which secretes thyroxine. So students, thyroid gland is supposed to be the largest endocrine gland and the main function of which is to secrete thyroxine hormone. Students, we can understand thyroid gland if you concentrate on this picture. Students, here we can notice that in this picture thyroid gland remains present in the neck region. Students, this is the shape of thyroid gland. Students, there is requirement of iodine for the synthesis of thyroxine hormone. There are presence of follicles, that is cells, which remains present in the thyroid, and that is why they are called as thyroid follicles. So students, the main function of the thyroid follicle is to secrete thyroxine. Parathyroid gland. It is 4 pea-sized gland which secretes parathyroxine. So students, parathyroid gland generally is a collection of 4 pea-sized gland and the main function of which is to secrete parathyroxine. Students, we can understand the concept of parathyroid gland with the help of this picture, where you can easily notice the parathyroid glands. Students, these are the parathyroid glands, which are 4 pea-sized glands and which remains present on the ventral surface of the thyroid gland. Adrenal gland. It is tricorn shaped endocrine gland. The following are the 2 distinct regions of adrenal gland: cortex and medulla. So students, adrenal gland is actually tricorn shaped endocrine gland. Students, tricorn structures are actually having 3 conical parts. Students, if you notice in this picture, then you can easily find the presence of adrenal gland at the top of the kidney. Students, adrenal glands are located on both of the kidney, as you can see it. So we can say that adrenal gland are paired endocrine glands. Students, there are 2 distinct regions in the adrenal gland: cortex and medulla. Since cortex is supposed to be the outermost region, whereas medulla is supposed to be the innermost region of the adrenal gland. Testis and ovaries. Testis releases testosterone and ovary releases estrogen. Students, testis is also a endocrine gland because it releases the testosterone directly into the blood and does not has any duct to release it into the blood. Students, in the same way, ovaries also are endocrine glands because they also release the hormones, estrogen, directly into the blood, and they even don't secrete it with the help of any duct. Since we know that testosterone is the primary male sexual hormone and is responsible for the secondary sexual characters in male, whereas estrogen, as you can see here, is the female sexual hormone and is responsible for the secondary sexual characters in female. Students, if you concentrate here in this picture, then you will be able to notice the ovary which remains present in the females and the location of the testis in males. So, students, testis remains present in the males and ovary remains present in the females. Students, besides testis and ovary, you can also find the thymus gland which remains present in between the lungs, pineal gland which you can find present in the brain, pancreas which remains present in the loop of the duodenum. So, students, these are the most important endocrine glands which remains present in the human body. Students, there is also presence of a endocrine gland, that is hypothalamus. Students, hypothalamus releases the tropic and tropic hormone or the inhibiting and releasing hormone. So, students, hypothalamus releases two different types of hormones which are releasing hormone and inhibiting hormone. So, students, releasing and inhibiting hormone is also released from the hypothalamus, which is a type of endocrine gland. Thymus gland, it secretes thymosin. So, students, we can notice here that thymus gland remains present in between the lungs and the main function of which is to secrete thymosin. Students, now let us discuss Important question. What is the function of melatonin secreted from pituitary gland? Melatonin secreted from pituitary gland regulates pigmentation of skin. Thank you, students.